Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy frequent flyer miles with Southwest Airlines, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, log into your Southwest Airlines account on their website. If you don't have an account, create one using your email address. Once logged in, navigate to the Rapid Rewards section. Here, you'll see your available points and any promotional offers. Next, click on Book a Flight. Enter your travel details, including departure and arrival cities. Select your desired travel dates and the number of travelers. Click on Search Flights to view the available options. You'll see a list of flights, displaying both cash prices and points required. Choose a flight that fits your schedule and budget. Review the details carefully to ensure it meets your needs. Once you've selected your flight, click on Continue. On the next page, confirm your selection and enter traveler information. If you have a companion pass, ensure to add your companion at this point. Review the total points required for the booking. Proceed to the payment section, where you'll see your points balance. Confirm payment with your Rapid Rewards points. After confirming, you will receive a booking confirmation via email. Make sure to check your inbox for this important information. It's a good idea to save or print your confirmation for future reference. You're now set to enjoy your trip with Southwest Airlines using your frequent flyer miles. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.